Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi 10 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to enter the camera app, so let's tap on it, and since we are in the standard photo mode we can enter the settings, so simply tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner and let's take a look at the second option bar. It is connected to the timer and here we've got actually 4 different options from which we can choose. Right now we've got the timer turned off and we can check it because this clock icon is, let's say, highlighted. It's on the almost light green color, not green, gray color, but we can set also 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay. All you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to use. So I'll pick 10 seconds as I said, and right now it is highlighted. We can see this this yellow color, I would say, around 10 seconds. So we can go back and tap on the shutter button, and as you can see it has been immediately applied. So right now the device will count down from 10 and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, the camera flashed, so it means that the photo has been taken. So let me pick, for example, 3 seconds, and the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. So let's turn it off, and as you can see it will just take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Redmi 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.